Life is hectic. In today's fast-paced world, it seems like there's never enough time in the day. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our schedules are packed with endless tasks and responsibilities. We juggle work, family, friends, and personal commitments. Balancing these aspects of our lives can be incredibly challenging. Whether it's meeting deadlines at work, spending quality time with family, or catching up with friends, there's always something that demands our attention. It's easy to get overwhelmed. The constant pressure to stay on top of everything can lead to stress and burnout. Staying organized is key to managing this chaos. Without a clear plan, it's easy to lose track of important tasks and appointments. A well-managed schedule is super important. It helps us prioritize our tasks, set realistic goals, and ensure that we allocate time for both work and relaxation. By keeping a detailed calendar, we can visualize our commitments and plan our days more effectively. But managing our calendars can be a chore. Manually entering events, appointments, and reminders can be time-consuming and tedious. It's a task that requires constant attention and can easily become overwhelming if not handled properly. Manually entering events takes time. Each entry requires careful consideration to ensure that there are no conflicts or overlaps. This process can be especially challenging for those with busy schedules, as it adds another layer of complexity to their already hectic lives. Sometimes we forget to check our schedules and miss important appointments. This can lead to missed opportunities, wasted time, and unnecessary stress. Forgetting a crucial meeting or appointment can have significant consequences, both personally and professionally. That's where technology comes in. With the advent of smart devices and digital assistants, managing our schedules has become more convenient. These tools can help us stay organized, set reminders, and ensure that we never miss an important event. Artificial intelligence is changing how we manage our time. AI-powered tools can analyze our schedules, suggest optimal times for meetings, and even automate routine tasks. This technology is designed to make our lives easier and more efficient. Google's latest innovation, Gemini AI in Google Calendar, is here to simplify our lives. By leveraging the power of AI, Gemini can help us manage our schedules more effectively, ensuring that we stay on top of our commitments and make the most of our time. Google has integrated its powerful Gemini AI into Google Calendar. Gemini acts as your personal scheduling assistant right inside your calendar. It understands your schedule and responds to your requests in a conversational way. No more clicking through menus or typing in specific commands. Just ask Gemini what you need, using natural language. Have a question about your schedule? Just ask Gemini. Want to know your next meeting? Type, "When is my next meeting?" Curious about your availability on a specific day? Ask, "Am I free tomorrow afternoon?" Gemini understands complex questions too. You can ask, "What's on my calendar for next week?" or "Find a time for me to work on my presentation this week." Creating events is a breeze with Gemini. Imagine never having to manually input details into your calendar again. With Gemini, you can streamline your scheduling process and save valuable time. Simply tell it what you want to add to your calendar. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, Gemini listens and understands your natural language commands. For example, you can say, "Schedule a meeting with my team tomorrow at 10 a.m. Gemini will instantly recognize the details and create the event for you. No more clicking through multiple fields or worrying about missing information. Or you can say, "Add a reminder to call mom on Sunday." Gemini ensures that your personal and professional life stays organized without any hassle. Gemini automatically fills in the event details like time, date, and participants based on your request. It intelligently interprets your instructions and populates your calendar with precision. You can even create recurring events with ease. Whether it's a weekly team meeting or a bi-weekly yoga class, Gemini handles it all. Just say something like, "Add a yoga class every Tuesday and Thursday at 6 p.m. Gemini will set up the recurring event, ensuring you never miss a session. With Gemini, managing your schedule has never been simpler or more efficient. Imagine the convenience of having your calendar updated in real time, no matter where you are. Gemini syncs across all your devices, so your schedule is always at your fingertips. Say goodbye to the stress of managing multiple events and reminders. With Gemini, you can focus on what truly matters, knowing that your calendar is always up to date and accurate. Experience the future of scheduling with Gemini. It's not just a tool, it's your personal assistant, making sure you never miss an important event or deadline. Try Gemini today and transform the way you manage your time. Section 5. Accessing event details with ease. Need to check the details of an event? Don't waste time searching through your calendar. Just ask Gemini. For instance, you could ask, "Where is my meeting with Sarah?" Or "What time does the concert start?" Gemini will quickly retrieve the information you need, saving you time and effort. Section 6. Gemini Availability and Access. Excited to try Gemini? It's currently available through Google Workspace Labs, Google's early access program for testing new features. You'll need to sign up for Workspace Labs to access Gemini in Google Calendar. Keep in mind that Gemini in Google Calendar is currently only available on the web version. It's not yet on the mobile app. Section 7. User Experience, a first look. Using Gemini is like having a conversation with your calendar. The interface is clean and intuitive. You can type in your requests or use suggested prompts for common actions. One thing to note is that conversation history isn't saved permanently. If you refresh the page, close and reopen Calendar, or lose internet connection, your chat history with Gemini disappears. You can manually clear the history if needed. Section 8. Opting out and exploring other integrations. If you decide Gemini isn't for you, the only way to disable it is by leaving Google Workspace Labs. Keep in mind that this will also remove your access to other experimental features. Gemini is also integrated into other Google services, including Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Chat. These integrations offer similar AI-powered assistance, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Section 9. Embrace a smarter way to manage your time. Google Calendar's Gemini integration is a game changer for managing our busy schedules. It simplifies scheduling tasks, making it easier than ever to keep track of meetings, deadlines, and personal commitments. Imagine having a tool that not only organizes your day, but also anticipates your needs and preferences. With Gemini, you can set reminders, create events, and even share your calendar with colleagues or family members seamlessly. Provides quick access to information, ensuring that you are always in the loop. Whether you're on the go or at your desk, you can easily check your schedule and make adjustments as needed. The integration with your smartphone means that your calendar is always just a tap away, making it incredibly convenient to stay organized no matter where you are, and allows us to interact with our calendars in a natural, conversational way. As AI technology advances, the way we manage our time is becoming more intuitive and efficient. Imagine asking your virtual assistant to schedule a meeting or remind you of an important task and having it done instantly. This level of interaction not only saves time, but also reduces the cognitive load of managing multiple tasks. We can expect even more innovative features and integrations that will free up our time. Future updates may include predictive scheduling, where the AI suggests optimal times for meetings based on your past behavior and preferences. Collaborative features could also be enhanced, making it easier to coordinate with team members and streamline project management, and allow us to focus on what matters most. By automating routine tasks and providing intelligent insights, Google Calendar and Gemini AI enable us to dedicate more time to strategic thinking, creative projects, and personal growth. This shift in focus can lead to increased productivity and a better work-life balance. Embrace the future of scheduling with Google Calendar and Gemini AI. By leveraging these advanced tools, you can transform the way you manage your time, making your daily routine more efficient and less stressful. The future of time management is here, and it's smarter, more intuitive, and incredibly powerful. Don't just manage your time, master it with Google Calendar and Gemini AI.